Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by inspecting your PlayStation and TV ports closely and calmly. The original Ps1 has a multi-out AV port, and older units include RF output. Your smart TV most likely has HDMI ports and might not accept composite directly. Look for yellow composite video and red/white stereo audio jacks on your TV or adapter. If your TV only has HDMI, you will need an AV to HDMI converter box with RCA inputs and an HDMI output. Keep cables, power, and a controller handy before continuing. If your TV accepts composite inputs, connect the yellow video plug first for picture. Then connect the red and white audio plugs for left and right channels. Match colors exactly to prevent swapped signals or no sound. If your Ps1 has RF only, attach the RF cable to the TV antenna input and tune the TV to channel 3 or channel 4. Power the Ps1 with its original adapter and plug the controller in before turning the TV and console on. Adjust TV input to the proper source when prompted. When your smart TV lacks composite, use an active AV to HDMI converter box. Connect the Ps1 yellow, red, and white RCA plugs to the converter's matching inputs. Power the converter using its USB or included adapter and connect an HDMI cable from the converter to your TV. Set the converter output resolution to 480p or 720p for optimal classic console image scaling. Select the HDMI input on the TV and test the Ps1 by pressing the power button.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.